Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 utility, 36-foot 6x102. Beautiful unit, folks. Very clean aluminum combo 36-foot 6. As you can see, the underside of the beams are very clean. Brand new kingpin plate in this unit. Excellent condition underneath. As you can see, all turbo blasted, primed, and repainted. We come down the passenger side. We have a nice large buyer's toolbox. Has been repainted in excellent condition. Brand new tires on this unit. Refurbed outer steel rim. Brand new brakes on this unit, folks. Spring ride suspension. Sliding tandem. Universal mounting kit on the back. Carries a Moffett, Princeton, and many other brands. As we come around to the driver's side, as I said, outer refurbed rim, brand new tires, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets, aluminum headache rack on this unit. This is Equipment Remarketing. Website is 99lifts.com. Take a look at our straight trucks, our flatbed trailers with universal mounting kits, and our Moffett and Princetons that are available for sale. A lot of units available. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Thank you for your time.